Hi, I'm Bryan, your exam writing specialist who has helped thousands of SPM, IGCSE, and UEC students move from a B to an A star. And today, I want to show you examiners love it. There are 5 sentence structures that immediately stand out to examiners in a conclusion. Sentences that impress examiners in a conclusion. Many students believe that good grammar alone earns high marks. But in reality, examiners reward structure and mature expression. This lesson is based on Facilitator Bryan's BB steps for narrative essays. Step 0. Understand the title. Step 1. Plan the context. 1, 2, 3. Step 2. Write the introduction using Facilitator Bryan's introduction framework. Step 3. Develop the story. Step 4. Write the conclusion by answering 3 key questions. How does the story end? 2. What sentence does the narrator feel? Number 3. What lesson or moral value emerges? Here are 5 sentence structures that often stand out to examiners. 1. Little did I realize this small decision would change everything. What seemed like a simple moment quickly turned into an unforgettable experience. It was only then that I understood the true meaning of responsibility. Standing there in silence, I realized how much the moment meant to me. Despite my hesitation, I knew this was something I had to do. These sentences work especially well when a story reaches its turning point. High scoring essays are not about big vocabulary. They're about clear ideas expressed through powerful sentences. Subscribe for more tips. Follow for more writing hacks. Join my class now. Link in bio.